5 minutes later, I want to wash my face. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you're watching this video, hello. Can you guys see my face? This dry season is dealing with me, so I want to be taking care of my face in a very natural way. I don't want to use any cream and anything. I just want to use this tomato, and I'm going to show you the transformation on my face. So stick around and let's do this. So this is a baby wipe. This is the first thing I'll take. I'll use it. Let me bring it up close. Using a fresh tomato scrub on your face can help provide your skin with so many health benefits. Tomato is going to remove dead cells from your skin. It is going to reduce excess oil. It is going to tighten your pores. It is going to fight acne. It is going to soothing irritation skin, like what I'm talking about. It's going to brighten the complexion of your face due to the fact that it contains vitamin C. And it's going to help protect your face against sunburn damage. It is also going to help maintain the skin pH while it deep cleans your face. So you cannot just use tomato only on your face, but you can also use it on other parts of your body. Because it is fresh tomato, you don't really have that much of side effects. Basically, there is no side effect to it. Why? Because it is natural. And make sure that before you use a tomato on your face, you wash the tomato very well. Tomato have a lot of vitamin, such as vitamin E, vitamin C. So these two vitamins are very, very good for your skin. It is going to, using a tomato scrub will help fight aging, which means it's going to help remove wrinkles and tighten your face. It's going to tighten your pores. It's going to brighten your complexion. It is going to exfoliate dead cells from your skin. And it's going to reduce oil from your face. I don't really have acne like some other persons who have really, really big fat pores of acne. So when you use tomato on your face, it's going to fight even the little acne that you have. And even if you have acne on your face that have dark spots and scars, it's 5 minutes later, I want to wash my face. This feels clean and refreshed. If you continue using fresh tomato constantly on your face, it is going to help you remove all those dark spots on your face. So make sure you try tomato scrub today and thank me later. So if you find this video interesting, make sure you share it and you try it and then you thank me later.